difference between this and that one?
What?
You know what?
Is it the same ride actually?
Same ride.
Oh, I was like, why do they look the same?
Radio people.
Bro, disgusting. Look at the amount of spike. Bro, who sticks their chewing gum up there?
Yeah, that's so wrong. Look, this is the best angle ever. This is a godly angle. Look! We got 120 frames per second, meaning I can slow it down without it looking terrible.
So, today,
it's on 4K.
We're on Tutuki Splash.
Tutuki Splash. Well, hey guys, welcome to Vandy Joe.
Why are we?
I don't know.
Your bag is soaking. Bro, those people at the front are so soaking.
At least let me know.
Bro, I got hit by like a torpedo of water that came out.
Can't reach it. No, I want to soak. Show Pablo the frog.
The frog?
Yeah.
Oh! I can't get both hands over it, I will later. Look, there was 3 drops on there.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Bro, they're so wet. Shut up.
Insert hold.
It's worse when the 2 carts line up and you get
and you get splashed from this side. Oh, bro, it's stalling. Again.
Damn, the water's disappeared beneath me.
Keep your hands inside the vehicle at all times.
It says no hand. Oh no, that's standing. No standing.
No standing.
With your hands up. Well, what if I stand? What if I stand without my hands up?
Maybe that's okay.
Okay.
What's the red light mean?
It's recording.
bit wet, this one.
I'm not here, now I'm here. Not there, now I am. Not there, now I am. This is a bigger drop than I remember!
Is this the one you were on about?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah. We went on it twice, it was so much fun. But the drop's so much larger.
Oh, get in, squeeze in.
Yeah, I'll move it.
We've all got to be perfectly
Well,
in.
this needs clicked in more. Now for later, Google Translate away. You should have taken the shirt off. Bro, this is never drying. You should. Bro, I look at this.
We're just gonna stand in the sun for a little bit. Oh.
Hey, there's still another one to go.
No,
is it bigger?
Is there one? No, that's it.
Is that it?
Bro, can we go again?
Bro.
Hi, if you want to wait in an hour queue.